educator, one of the biggest concerns that we see is parents' frustration with understanding the new grade level standards for mathematics. This Common Core way of doing things is different from the way that they learned it. Sometimes they don't understand, though, that 60 years ago, math was completely changed in the education system as well. Now, there were reasons for that change, and there are reasons for doing these new Common Core. The reason we made this site is to help parents feel less frustrated so they can help their child be successful in mathematics and get rid of that negative connotation that Common Core is bad. Now, the reasons for this new Common Core? Well, Stanford University did a study, and over 50% of the population is attending two-year colleges. Of that 50%, 60% of the students are put in remedial math, which is basically like doing your grade school math and your high school math all over again. Of that 60%, 25% are passing. The other 75% either fail the math classes or they drop out of school completely. So that study was done in 2013, so really pre-Common Core. Common Core focuses on developing critical thinking skills, problem-solving skills, and analytical skills. What does that mean to you? Well, instead of the way we learned back for the last 60 years, where there's a problem and there's a linear way of doing it, basically one problem, one answer, Common Core gives this way of doing it that there's multiple strategies that you can use. As an educator, we know that you can't always solve a problem one way. Students need different tools in their toolboxes. So students learn how to understand the relationship between numbers, and then they learn multiple ways to connect those numbers to solve problems. Google recently did a study on what the 21st century worker has to have in their toolbox. And most of those skills align with that Common Core. Problem solving, critical thinking, teamwork, communication. Those are skills that we need in the workplace today. And learning these Common Core math skills is going to help students with that. So I hope you enjoy our site, that it helps you, and that we can all learn to love math together.